Public image is really the core of all these things that we are doing. To promote Rotary International, your district, your clubs of what you're doing, especially here in District 3860.
Ito ang mensahe ni Dr. Mildred Vitangcol, ang Rotary Public Image Coordinator ng Zone 10A. Na higit pa sa mga proyekto, ang tunay na lakas ng Rotary ay ang pagpapakita ng malasakit at pagkakaisa sa mga komunidad tulad dito sa District 3860. Gate ni District Governor Angel Fernandez, mahalagang may bahagi ng bawat Rotarian ang kanilang kwento ng pagtulong upang mahikayat ang iba na makiisa sa advokasya ng Rotary.
Public image is vital. No? It is imperative for all Rotarians to understand how to use public image, no? Because public image will share the story of Rotary. Without public image, our story is dead in the water. So very, very crucial ang role ni public image.
Isa ito sa mga pangunahing mensahe sa Vibrant Club Seminar sa Cebu, kung saan nagkaisa ang mga Rotary leaders mula Visayas at Mindanao upang ipakita sa publiko ang epekto ng kanilang mga proyekto. Nakibahagi rin si dating Cebu City Mayor Mike Rama, isang Rotarian simula pa taong 1995. Anya, nasa gitna ng maingay na politika, nananatiling misyon ng Rotary ang pagtulong sa kapwa.
Rotarian, wake up. The country needs us, and we should make a stand. We should not just be hiding. We should be out joining. And why should we be joining? The outcry is change. The outcry is change. If it's not now, when? If it's not us, who? We are not Rotarian for nothing.
Ang panawagan ni Rama ay manatiling gising at aktibo sa pagtulong ay nagpatibay sa isa sa pangunahing tema ng seminar, ang paglago at pagpapanatili ng mga miyembro, pati na rin ang malasakit at dedikasyon at tunay na nagbibigay buhay sa misyon ng Rotary.
For Rotarians from District 3860, our battle cry this year is just only one thing, and that is to grow Rotary.
No matter how many new members we're going to bring in every Rotary year, it will not translate into growth if we do not retain them. Our challenge is to retain 85% of our members.
Our purpose kasi is not only for short time, weather lang, but because of our commitment, our passion to serve, and not only in our community, but we also extend to other communities in the Visayas and Mindanao.
We are not just Rotarians that we love to parties and wear gowns, but we are also a people of action, members of Rotary. And we go out, we make our hands dirty.
So if you want to grow as a person, then the best place for you is in Rotary. Because that's where you learn a lot. That will also impact for your own selves.
Hinimok din ang mas matibay na pagpapakilala ng Rotary sa publiko upang mas maraming Pilipino ang maengganyo na makiisa sa kanilang advokasya.
Our goal is to work closely with one another so that the public image team can communicate to our external and internal audiences on what Rotary does. Now, when we are able to communicate what we do, then perhaps the more people are inspired to join Rotary.
Sabi nga ng mga karamihan, nabago ako ng Rotary. Kasi before, I'm just easy-go-lucky guy. But nung na-involve ako sa Rotary, nagkaroon ng kuting focus dun sa pagtulong, no? Yung our public image team, sana makatulong kami. We can do more to help promote more and encourage more Rotarian to stay and attract more members.
Samantala, hinimok ni Dr. Vitangcol na gamitin na ipakita ang kabuuang epekto ng Rotary at mag-iinspirasyon para sa bagong henerasyon ng mga miyembro. Kasama na ang pagkakataong makilala at mabigyan ng parangal ang natatanging kontribusyon.
We're encouraging everyone to promote Rotary by posting all their projects and events in social media. And of course, you have to mind the branding. Make sure that we follow the branding based on Rotary International criteria.
Looking forward to give you all the awards on a monthly basis, recognition, and of course, the whole year award in 2026.
Sa pagtatapos ng Vibrant Club Seminar, malinaw ang mensahe mula sa membership growth, retention at public image hanggang sa panawagan ng Rotary ay patuloy na kikilos upang maisabuhay ang diwa ng service above self. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kung mahal, ito si Jade Calabroso, SMNA News.